Wow, this is super fragrant. This is super fragrant. Let me take it out for you.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a very simple sambal belacan right now. I'm eating some steamboat together with my relatives coming from Sabah. So I'm going to make a sambal belacan to eat with it as a dipping sauce. So I have 2 pieces of big the green chili here, about 2 to 3 pieces of big red chili. Then I have like probably 10 bird eye chilies. So you can decide the amount of bird eye chili you want to use and the green chili you want to use. The green chili is basically more for the sake of color, and of course the bird eye chili is I wanted the spiciness from it. Then other than the chili, we also need some here. This one, right? So this is basically calamansi. I have about 2 to 3 pieces of calamansi here. I squeeze out the juice and also cut off some of the peels, yeah, the skin, calamansi skins here. Of course, you want to remove the seeds, and also not forgetting this one. Here, I have the toasted belacan powder. Alright, so first of all, we are going to put in the chili, everything into the chopper. Papa bought a new chopper recently, very cheap. This is only 100 plus. And it's very, very efficient. Put in the chili. Now there's actually thousands of variations on how you can make your sambal belacan. There's no fixed rule, seriously. So after you put in the chili, I'm going to put in calamansi peels and also the calamansi juice. And then I'm going to put in 1 big spoonful of toasted belacan powder. Basically, I'm using the belacan block and toast it until it is dry roasted until it becomes powder form, right? Then we are going to put in some salt, yeah. And we are going to add in some water. That's it. Then we should close this. Now, if you prefer the creamier version, all you need to do is just to add in some oil. I add in water, so this is going to be a little bit watery version. It's basically done. That's how fast it is. Off the fire. Oh, sorry, off the power. Wow, this is super fragrant. This is super fragrant. Let me take it out for you. Right, there you go. Less than 10 minutes, we have a very nice sambal belacan. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.